Today I'm checking out this electric pizza oven from VEVOR. Now I was sent this at no cost so I can do the review. We're going to go ahead, get this thing out of the box, get rid of all the packaging and everything. We're going to put this thing together if it needs any assembly, and then we're going to test it out by making some pizza. All right, now this is out of the box and I've got the pieces all pulled out of their packaging. This is pretty heavy, so I would recommend another person, like two people, to help you get this out of the box. Not because it's too heavy, but it is pretty heavy. And when you pull it out, there's so much foam in there that it just wants to stay in the box. So definitely, I recommend having another person helping you get this out of the box, or completely tear off the outside of the box so you can get to it easy, because this thing is packaged well. There is tons of foam that they put in, even inside of here. They put foam all inside of here, everywhere. So that's great. It helps keep it from getting damaged when it's being shipped to you, but trying to get it out of the box and everything makes it a little harder for one person. So that's just my little disclaimer. It is pretty much completely assembled. You got to just put these two handles on and they just go on right here. You open it up, put the screws in and get the handles on. I'm going to do that in just a second. And then of course you've got your stones up here. These came really packaged well also, and they were slidden inside. So I got them all out of the foam and everything that they were in. These will also slide in. So you'll want to clean them and then slide them in the top and in the bottom. And then, probably just wipe the machine down because it does have the little shipping oils and stuff still on it. But all in all, it's all ready to go. It does have everything you need to know in the manual. It does come with this manual. So I'm going to get this in the kitchen where I plan on using it, get everything cleaned up, and we're going to try this thing out by making some pizza. All right, I've got the oven all nice and warmed up, and I have made a couple pizzas so far, as you can see in there. They were trials. So I'm going to put another one in, and we'll see how well it does. All right, let's see. This one looks ready to go. There's also a light, if I didn't show that before. Yep, I'm going to take this one out. All right, and I think it turns out great. I need to learn how to make a little bit bigger pizza, but they've been turning out awesome. I hope this information was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.